This is the famous Nanjing Road of China, correct? Yeah. Oh, okay, so Bernard's going to Nike, going to buy for Cole. Nike store here in Nanjing Road, or pedestrian. Okay, yan ang aking dating former favorite hotel. Pero ngayon, it's called Radisson. Dati, Sofitel yan. And going to the river is on that left side. Okay, so we're going to walk itong pinaka-famous street in Shanghai, and it's called the Nanjing Road or Nanjing Street. Merong road, merong street din. Okay, so you can go shopping both ways. By a Nanjing Road or the Nanjing Street. Ito pala composed of the east and the west. Kaya if you're riding the subway, you have to make sure whether you're going to the east or west. Pero I'm sure doon din ang babagsakan nun, no? The Nanjing Street. Ito palang Nanjing Street is about 6 kilometers if you're going to walk it from I guess from the People's Park, yung pinuntahan namin noon, yung People's Park, hanggang sa hanggang doon sa may river na yun ang pinaka-end ng street, no? So ang visitors daw dito umaabot ng over 1 million a day. Imagine that, no? 1 million a day. So, and meron siyang record na it's the biggest shopping pedestrian street in the world. Imagine that, the biggest in the world, Kasi nga naman, it's 28 meters wide, and to walk it is 6 kilometers, no? So that means to say, if your hotel is in the Nanjing Street, you can have your daily exercise of at least 6 kilometers. Yun nga lang, yung aming hotel dati, which was the Sofitel na we visited today, supposed to be under Accor group of companies, hindi na pala under the Accor. It's already under the Radisson group of hotels. Pero it's still okay. Yun pa rin, siguro natapos yung contract nila, and change of name. Maybe the owner was not making enough money. So dito, super dami ng shopping, at saka lahat ng mga branded clothes, bags, shoes, watches, name it, it's all here dito sa Nanjing Street, no? Kanya sobrang dami talaga ng mga malls dito. As a matter of fact, almost everywhere you go around Shanghai, you're already surrounded by malls. Even yung hotel namin na malayo naman from the Nanjing Street, which is the Swiss Hotel, we're also surrounded by so many shopping. Basically, all malls. So, sabi nga ni Bernard Baron, para hindi na raw lumabas yung mga Chinese, they're creating so many malls all around. So they will just have to spend their money in China and not spend it elsewhere, no? Kaya, yeah. But I suggest, if you're going to China, the best part is to go around during the night time, because in China, when it's nighttime, ayan na, The lights are the main attraction, yung especially the area between the two sides ng Wangpong River ba yung Berna? Wangpong River. Wangfu. Yeah, the famous Wangfu River. Okay, so we're going back to the hotel and we're just showing you the famous, I think that's the TV tower or radio tower here in China. Oh, ilang minutes yung Didi Berna? How many minutes? 2 minutes. 2 minutes, nandiyan na? Okay. Okay, so here's our Didi car. Another EV car in China. Thank you for watching.